Welcome today in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should just hold for a while to the application and drag this app to the another application, and as can you see right now we got here the new folder, and just by the same way you can add more applications here to this folder. And now just you can also rename the folder. Just tap here to the name and type the name, for example the apps. Just tap here to OK, and as can you see we successfully renamed the folder right now. If you want, you can move this folder here on the screen or just between the screens. Just press for a while and drag it to the position where you want to just to the folder. So also you can just remove the application from the folder just by this way. Hold for a while and drag it, for example here to this position or just there, and as can you see that's really simple. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.